Experiencing trouble seeing chargers in your Tesla app? This is a common issue stemming from map filters, region settings, or network connectivity. We'll break down the solutions. The most common causes are incorrect map filter settings, misconfigured region settings, and network connection problems on your phone or with Tesla's servers. We'll show you how to diagnose and fix each of these issues. The Tesla app uses filters to display different types of chargers on the map. Different charger types include Tesla superchargers for fast charging, destination chargers at hotels and businesses, and third-party CCS chargers through partnerships. If your filter is set to Tesla only, non-Tesla chargers won't appear on the map, even if your vehicle can use them. To fix this, open the app, go to the map settings, and ensure all networks or the specific charger types you need are selected. This is the first and simplest thing to check when chargers aren't showing. The Tesla app relies on GPS and region-specific data to display charger locations accurately. A misconfigured region setting, such as selecting Europe while you're in the US, can cause charger data to mismatch and hide available stations. Ensure your phone's location services are enabled for the Tesla app to access your current position. Log out of the Tesla app and log back in to reset regional preferences and refresh your location data. Confirm your Tesla account region matches your current location in your Tesla account settings. Weak internet connection, whether cellular or Wi-Fi, can prevent the Tesla app from loading charger data properly. The app needs a stable connection to sync with Tesla's servers and fetch real-time charger information. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi and it's slow or unreliable, try switching to cellular data or vice versa. This can resolve connectivity issues that block charger data loading. If connectivity issues persist, force quit the Tesla app to refresh its data connection. This clears temporary glitches and forces the app to reconnect to the network. For better stability, consider updating the Tesla app via Wi-Fi, as Tesla recommends. Wi-Fi connections are often more reliable for large downloads and prevent data charges on cellular plans. Finally, test your internet speed using an online speed test to confirm your connection is adequate for the app's data requirements. Slow speeds can indicate network issues that need addressing. Sometimes, corrupted app cache can cause display issues with chargers in the Tesla app. Clearing the app's cache and data through your phone's settings can resolve temporary glitches. Access your phone's settings, find the Apps section, locate the Tesla app, and tap on Storage. From there, you can clear the cache, which is safe and only removes temporary files. If issues persist, clear all data, but note that this will log you out and require you to sign back into the app. Here are examples of app storage settings on Android and iOS devices, showing how to access cache and data clearing options. This process can often fix charger visibility problems by refreshing the app's stored data and settings. Sometimes the issue might be on Tesla's end. Check Tesla's service status page for any reported outages affecting charger data. If there's a server-side issue, the problem is out of your control and you'll need to wait for Tesla to resolve it. You can typically find this information on Tesla's website or through their official social media channels. While troubleshooting the Tesla app, use third-party apps like PlugShare or EVgo as backups. These apps provide comprehensive charger information, including real-time availability, user reviews, and photos, regardless of your Tesla app's status. PlugShare offers detailed maps of charging stations, photos, reviews, and filtering options for your specific vehicle. EVgo provides session monitoring, cost calculations, and detailed receipts for your charging history. In the California supercharger outage of July 2025, the Tesla app failed to display hundreds of chargers along I-5. Users successfully used PlugShare and EVgo as backups to find alternative charging options. Tesla is working toward unified EV charging ecosystems that integrate multiple networks seamlessly. AI-driven charger predictions are already reducing filter-related errors by 30% through machine learning that adapts to user behavior. By 2026, expect full integration with global standards like ISO 15118, enabling cross-network charging without manual filter adjustments. This will eliminate many of the visibility issues users currently face. As electric vehicle adoption grows at 25% annually, app performance will increasingly depend on Tesla's investments in back-end infrastructure and decentralized data servers. However, with rising EV numbers, network congestion could affect app reliability unless Tesla continues to prioritize API robustness and edge computing solutions. Stay updated with Tesla app updates, as future versions will include AI-powered filters by 2027 and privacy-focused data sharing options for better charger recommendations.